Yo. It's your boy RV from Skillful Solutionz with another great video talking about Builderall, the Quills Builder in Builderall. Again, everything is here in Builderall. Everything is here. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to go over every tool within Builderall so you can see that it's easy to create and see that everything is here, right? So this is the Quiz Builder. Capture and convert, discover an intuitive way to sell your leads and build the best buying experience. Quality surveys. Create your survey links in just minutes and find out what your customers are looking for. All right. Evaluate with a quiz builder. Use data collection to capture data. Create questionnaires to engage. Develop quizzes to evaluate. You can vote for the best strategy. Like they can vote for it. You can have up two different strategies or two different websites or two different landing pages and have people vote on which one they like the best. Right? Develop strategic solutions with just a few clicks. For any type of business, 100% customizable for capturing valuable information. Like here's one right here. Do you like basketball? If so, please answer the questions below. What's your favorite team? You know what I'm saying? How do you watch the game? So further ado, let's just go dig in here so I can just show you how easy it is to create a quiz and quiz builder. Right? We logged in, we're gonna go to tools, we're gonna go to quiz builder. As it open up, you know what I'm saying? Create my first quiz. So we're gonna go to survey. We're gonna go to survey. So let's create a survey. Let's do testing. Let's add an S to it so we can jump in there. Boom. Let's create the survey. So now you add the title is testing. The description is optional. You can add your picture up in here. We're gonna add this one, Skillful Solution logo, right? And then you can use the same configuration to cover. We don't have to do that. When enable, we use the same default setting for the cover. So we'll leave that just like that. Actually, we're gonna just click it over so it has the same thing, right? Answer once. You can answer one time, and then you can select what mailing boss listing that you wanted to go to, that your lead to go to. We'll do. Let's just do affiliate list, right? That's where we'll go to on your list, and then your mailing boss title, so you know that this is a survey. So let's put survey. Let's put testing survey. All right, and then you have a description. We'll leave that empty for now. Then we go to say, right. Then you got questions. Then you add your question. So we want it to be a text, long text, a checkbox, number, email, radio, select, or a phone number. So we're just gonna put a checkbox. We're gonna have it for checkboxes, right? And then the question label. Have you used Builderall before? Have you ever used Builderall before? EVER1. Yep, we're gonna do that like that, and then you got a question description. We're gonna leave that empty, so you're gonna add the option. It's a label yes, and then this is gonna be no, right? And then down here it says, random order of questions, and then allow multiple answers. We're not gonna allow nothing. That we're gonna keep all that the same right now. I'm just showing you just a quick overview of how to use it. If you have any other questions, you can comment below, and I'll definitely, tap in with you and get you into the right direction, right? Send email with answers. So you might want to send an email, receive an email Write the email separate by a comma. So you want to send an email to a few people with their answers, and then you can do that. And then you can send an email notification if you like. But we're gonna keep that off, and we're gonna keep that off too, right? Because it got the style, the body, how you can change the background of the style of the email, the cover of the email, and all that. But we're not gonna go into this. This is just a quick overview. You're gonna push save. So now you get to choose what layout. You go with the black. You go with the white. With this one, you go with that one. We're gonna go with the black. And then you got elements where you can change. Change the font. You can change the font style. You can change the body color. You can, the question. You can change, the font of the questions. The button, arrow, leads. You can change everything. Everything is customizable, right? And then you got the items, the default items, item active, wrong items, correct items. You can do all that. You can change everything. It's completely customizable. But since this is just a quick tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and jump up out of there. And now it's created it. So now we hit it to cut it on. There it goes, it's on. So now to view the quiz, you just go here, click view. And here's the quiz, testing. And then you got the logo. Now start the quiz. You know what I'm saying? Have you ever used Builderall before? Yes or no? Yes. Send it. You know what I'm saying? Testing survey. Email. Testing survey. So I'm just going to put the email. I might have put that answer on there by mistake and didn't actually put it on there. But that's the end. Your response has been submitted. So you can change all of this too. Everything is customizable. If you got any questions, listen, comment below. If you like these tutorials about Builderall, and if you think I should go more in depth in these different tutorials, listen, comment below. Listen, I'm here to help you. You know what I'm saying? Build a better funnel, a better website, a better booking, better quizzes, or whatever you need to do in Builderall. I'm here to help you, you know what I'm saying, get that done. So if this is not enough, if I'm not going deep enough to teaching you the different things within these platforms, within the different tools within this platform, listen, comment below. And now I go deeper. If you got any questions, comment below. Right? Listen, if you want to try out Builderall for the 14 days for free, click the link below, and you get 14 days for free to test drive Builderall with all the tools. You can test drive it with all the tools, and also it's gonna be $7 a month for the first 2 months, I believe. $7 a month for the first 2 months. That's the offer that they have going on right now. When I recorded this video. So listen, like, share, subscribe if you want to continue to see dope content like this about Builderall. Click the link below. If you just don't want to build out the survey, you don't want to build out the quiz builder, and you need help with building it out, and you just want somebody to build it out for you, listen, click the link below. Skillful Solutionz. We got you covered. We got you covered. Or you can continue to come back to these videos, and we'll show you how to do it on your own and do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? DIY. You know what I mean? Either way it go, comment below and let us know how we can help. Like, share, subscribe again. Hit the notification bell. This your boy RV. Listen, with another dope tutorial, and I'm out. Peace.